Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today we will discuss chapter 4th of English literature, Father's Help, written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, today we will discuss the story about a school going boy named Swami. On Monday morning, Swami didn't want to go to school. So he said his mother that he is not feeling comfortable today. He is suffering from headache. Okay, what he said to his mother, that he is not feeling good today. He is suffering from headache. Then his mother allowed him to stay at home in spite of going to school. When his father came to know about this, that Swami is not going to school today, then he asked why he is not going to school today. Okay, then Swami said that he is not feeling comfortable, he is suffering from headache. Then Swami's father got very angry, and Swami said that this time his father will not allow him to stay at home. Okay, so he said that this time he is so late. Okay, when his father said him that he must join the school, okay, if he didn't want to go to school today, then he must ask about this from his father earlier. Okay, then when Swami father said that he must join school, he must join the school, so he must get ready for the school. Then Swami said that he will not go to school so late. Okay, and said that his teacher behaved very badly, the student who reached school so late. When Swami father came to know about the teacher behavior, because Swami described his teacher so violent regarding boys, and informed or told about his teacher to his father, that his teacher beat the student very sharply who reached the school very late. When Swami's father came to know about the violence behavior of Swami's teacher, then he decided to send his ward school as a challenge, and he also composed a big letter against his teacher Samuel. Okay, when Swami was getting ready for the school, he wrote a letter and hand over the letter to Swami, and said that he must hand over the letter to the headmaster in the morning. As soon as he reached in the school, he must hand over the letter to the headmaster. Okay, but when Swami was on the way to going the school, he was thinking that whether Swami is a good or a bad. He was unable to decide about his teacher behavior. Okay, he was thinking that his teacher is not so violent as he described his teacher to his father. So when he reached to the school, okay, he was thinking that surely his teacher will beat him, okay, because he reached the school so late. But this time his teacher was very calm and allowed him to enter in the school without any beating or shouting. Okay, so his teacher was teaching mathematics. Okay, Swami tried to disturb his teacher by putting wrong question, by putting silly question, or disturbing the whole class, because he wanted to collect some proof to prove that his teacher is very violent. Okay, so he wanted to provoke his teacher to beat him very sharply, so that he will be able to collect some proof, okay, to prove the letter. But Swami, in the first period, Swami was not able to provoke his teacher to beat him. Okay, then it was time of last period, 4:30. Okay, 4:30. The last time period of 3:35. Swami this time tried to provoke his teacher. This time his teacher was teaching history. Okay, as soon as the teacher entered in the class, Swami decided that this time he will disturb the teacher a lot, and Surely his teacher beat him very sharply. Okay, the period began, the last period began at 3:45 and ended at 4:30. Swaminathan had sat through the previous period thinking acutely. Now this time Swami was thinking about the previous period. Okay, Swami felt very unhappy because in the first period he was not able to provoke his teacher to beat him. Samuel was this time in the last period, Samuel was teaching history portion and he was telling, but the student was listening with a dull mind. Okay, they were not paying proper attention what the teacher was teaching. This time the teacher was teaching about the Vasco da Gama arrival in India. Okay, Swami disturbed his teacher and suddenly asked at the top of his voice, why didn't Columbus come to this time? Why he asked to his teacher that why Columbus didn't come to in India. भारत में Columbus क्यों नहीं आया? Okay, he lost his way. He tried to inquire whether he lost his way. That's why he was not able to reach in India. I can't believe it. He said that I can't believe it. So intelligent person, so great person. How he would he have not known the way? How it is possible that he lost his way? Then teacher said that don't shout, don't try to cry. Okay. Then Swami replied that, sir, I am not shouting. This is my normal voice and this voice God has given me. I am not shouting. Okay, teacher got angry and ordered Swami to sit down on his seat. Okay, this time Swami was feeling very happy because this time he was able to provoke his teacher. This time he was able to made angry his teacher. That's why he was feeling slightly happy, a little happy. Then next chance occurred when Shankar of his first bench got up and asked, sir, Vasco da Gama was the very first to come in India. Okay, another student named Shankar tried to ask the question to his teacher whether Vasco da Gama was the first person to come in India. Before the teacher could answer, Swami again tried to disturb the class and he said that he tried to disturb the class. The teacher and all the boys looked Swami, and his teacher was also confused regarding the behavior of Swami today. Okay, earlier Swami was not this type of a student, but today he was disturbing the class and the teacher a lot. I'm not, and teacher again said that don't shout again. I'm not shouting. Again he repeat the same sentence that, sir, I am not shouting. I am just speaking in my ordinary voice. God has given me the same voice and I speaking in the same voice. Now the school clock struck a quarter four. Quarter hour means a quarter more, only 15 minutes more. Swami felt that he must do something in a very fast way, in a very fast way within 50 minutes. He must provoke his teacher within 50 minutes to beat him very sharply. Okay, Swami had no doubt called at him and snubbed him. Okay, so Samuel had no doubt. His teacher Samuel got angry, but he ignored him. Okay, snubbed mean ignore him. Okay, he ignored the behavior of Swami. Swami felt that with a little more efforts, Swami was feeling that if he will do some more efforts, then he will able to provoke his teacher to beat him. Okay, the teacher came to an end of a section in the textbook and stopped. This time the teacher was trying to end the section of history section, and this time he wanted to put some question to the boys. Then he ordered to close their notebook and put the notebook in their bags. Okay, and he wanted to inquire what is the date of Vasco da Gama arrival in India. Swami shot up and screamed, cried and shoot up very quickly. Okay, Swami stand up from his seat very quickly and cried. Okay, he replied that 1648 December 28 December 20. You need not shout. Teachers called him that there is no need to shout. Okay, I think your headache made you mad. Sit down now, you idiot. This time when teachers called Swami, Swami was feeling very happy. He was feeling happy because his teacher said him or called him idiot. If you get up again, then I will cane you. Or his teacher promised that if he tried to disturb the class again, then he must beat him very sharply. Swami this time feeling very happy because he was able to provoke his teacher. He was able to made angry his teacher. Okay. Now teacher said that I am going to put a few questions on Mughal period. Teacher asked that name the Mughal emperor who was the greatest, strongest and religious emperor. Again Swami tried to answer, but the teacher said empathically meaning forcefully. He said forcefully that sit down on your seat. But Swami said that I want to answer, sir. Please allow me to answer. Okay, what did I say I would do if you got up again? Now Swami teacher tried to recall that what he said, if you try to disturb me again. Yes sir, I know very well. You said that. Swami replied that yes sir, I know very well. In spite of saying sorry, he said that you said that you cane me and peel the skin off my knuckles. Knuckles you know very well. I have told earlier that the hard part or the part where fingers joins with the hand. Okay, you made skin of my knuckle and make me press it on my forehead. All right, come here. Okay, the teacher said that all right, come here. Swaminathan felt very happy and he jumped on the platform very happily. The teacher took out his cane mean from his stick from his drawer and put 6 cut on his forehead, on his hand, 3 one side and 3 another side. Total half a dozen. Okay, Swami received the streak without bleaching. Bleaching mean without sign of fear. Without any fear, Swami received after half a dozen, the teacher said. After putting 6 cane on Swami's hand, Swami teacher asked, will you want more or sufficient? Swami was feeling very happy. Okay. And then he received 2 more. Then the bell rang. Swami jumped down from the platform with a light heart. Now, earlier his heart was bleeding because he was not able to provoke his teacher, but this time he was feeling very happy with a light heart. Okay, though his hand were smarting, he picked up his books. Okay, his hand became red. Okay, due to caning, he picked up his books, took out the letter lying in his pocket and ran to the headmaster room. What he found? He found that the room was closed. Oh my God! He said to the peon, where is the headmaster? Why do you want him? The peon tried to inquire that why do you want him? My father. Swami replied that my father has sent a letter for him. Okay, he has taken the afternoon off. Now, this time, peon informed that headmaster has taken afternoon off and he would not come back for a week. You can give the letter. If you want to give the letter, then you can give the letter to the assistant headmaster. May I know who is the assistant headmaster? Swami didn't know who is the assistant headmaster. So, Swami asked to the peon that who is Who is he? Your teacher. Peon said that your teacher Samuel. He will be here in a second. Okay. Then you must hand over the letter to your assistant headmaster, Mr. Samuel. When Swami come to know about this, okay, at the time was 10:30. Okay. When Swami came to know about this truth, okay, his peon told him that his assistant headmaster is Mr. Samuel. Swami got surprised. Oh my God! That Swami tried to flee from the place. Fly from the place. Swaminathan fled from the place means Swami run away from the place. As soon as Swami went home with the letter, Swami's father remarked, I know you would not deliver the letter. Okay, Swami's father know very well that Swami will not hand over the letter to his headmaster. Swami said that, I swear, our headmaster is on leave. Swaminathan tried to understand his father that, I swear, our headmaster is on leave. Father replied, don't lie. In addition to being a coward, you are so coward person that nothing try to say it in addition to prove your cowardness. Okay. Swami held up the envelope and said, I will give this to the headmaster as soon as he is back. Swami's father snatched it from his hand, tore it up and thrust into the waste paper basket. You know what is the meaning of waste paper basket? Waste paper basket means to dustbin. Okay, he snatched the letter from Swaminathan's hand and tore it up and throw it into the dustbin. Okay, that dustbin was lying under his table, and he muttered, don't come to me. Okay, he speak in a very low voice, don't come to me for help if Samuel tottles mean if next time if next time your teacher try to kill you, try to punish you, okay, next time there is no need to come to me for some help. You deserve your teacher. It means such type of student deserve Samuel. Okay, so I hope you got it. Okay, you must read the story of Swaminathan, a school going boy. It is a very interesting story. So you must, after reading the story, you must try to solve value based question and writing skill. Thank you. Have a nice day.